guys, that's gonna do it. Alright, a lot of people ask me, how do you fish all winter when it's 15 degrees outside? I just let that completely drain. Then there's one little step I do before I pull this boat out of the water. Okay, now watch this. Lift it up. Okay, and I'm gonna lower it back down. See it finish draining right there? That way I get all the water out of it. Then the next step, I'll show you. Alright, now that I'm out of the water, I just lower it down, then I just start it. Then I just go forward, and then back in reverse. Then I raise it up. I'm not recommending you doing this, but a lot of people say, Bob, how do you fish all winter when it's 10 and 15 degrees on the river? Make sure I get all the water out of it. That's it. And that's all I do. I'm not recommending you do that, but that's how I do it. You're going to be catching fish like that today?
That's awesome.
So let's get out of here. They got to be under 20 before you can green one. Look at that. Too big too. He's gonna be too big too. Play her right here by this tape measure. She's coming. You can see it right there. Well, it might be time to